For today's video, get ready with me with my night routine. Tapos magtatagalog lang tayo at may salong English. Tara, start na guys. So tara? So guys, I will using this for my lotion and I will be using this for my punasan natin yung powder and a clip, and that's my little sister in there, and a brush. So first but not the least is we're going to susuklayan natin yung hair natin, guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and share pala, guys, and subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga gagawin ko sa buhay. So guys, meron pala kaming bagong tindahan, guys. Bukas mag-vlog ako ng maglalagay ng mga tinda namin. So straight muna natin siya, guys. So hindi ko alam kung ilang oras ito matatapos. Feel ko di lang talaga aabot ng 1 hour. Of course, so i-click na natin siya, guys. Tapos yung bangs natin first but not the least, guys, is pupunas muna tayo sa natin sa mukha. Baka may dumi, tapos mas may germs pa yan, diba? Ganyan ako kasi supported sa skin ko. Marami pa pala akong i-vlog, guys. Tignan nyo yan, guys. Ang rumi-rumi niya. Guys, so dirty, bro. My face is so dirty, bro. And I didn't clean it yesterday. And I always clean it when we have a school, but yeah,